Hello, dear clients, fans, or anyone looking for a solution to effectively and efficiently clean your windows. Today I would like to talk about HOBOT 298 window cleaning robot with ultrasonic water spray. This robot is designed for windows of any size, especially larger ones. Prior to the release of HOBOT 298, you would have to apply water or a cleaning solution directly onto the cleaning pads. And on larger windows, it would dry up before the cleaning job is done, affecting the quality of cleaning. So Hobot engineers came up with a solution to this problem. And it is the automatic spraying of water or a cleaning solution on the glass surface with the help of ultrasonic water spray technology while the robot is operating on a window or a glass surface. This patented technology nebulizes water into dense mist to dissolve dust and polish windows without leaving any watermarks. The spray works really well with water or Hobot cleaning solution. And now let's look what's inside the box. So let's look inside the box and see what we got there. We've got a warranty card. You do have a 1-year warranty from us. Make sure you register, and all of the instructions are on the warranty card. You've got the manual, and but we recommend that you read this whole entire manual. It's not gonna take you a long time to do that. It's full of useful information. You've got cleaning pads. They come 3 in the package, and they are reusable and rewashable. You've got the robot itself, got the safety rope. And the safety rope is something that we highly recommend that you use on large windows where you can reach the robot in case you have to remove it from it, or if you are on a high floor and you want to tether this to a hard object inside in case you lose power. So if you don't remove the robot within 20 minutes when you lose power, it could fall, and this will help you prevent from the robot falling underneath the surface. Accessory box. Hobot window detergent. You've got a remote control. You have the extension cord, power cord, and adapter. Remote control. You can also operate HOBOT 298 with the app. Download it from your marketplace if it's Android or your Apple Store. It works on both Apple and Android platforms. 3 main functions on the remote control. You've got 3 automatic functions. Left, right, and up arrows. Those are the 3 automatic functions. If you use this one right here, that will be your go-to function to use on this device for most of your cleaning jobs. Once you place the robot on the window, it will move up and all around the window, and it will come down and come back to the whole to that same spot where you left it off. If you use this functions, arrow left or right, if you put the robot on the window by using any of these functions, it will either go to the left or to the right, and it will come down and clean the window and come back to the same spot without going higher from where you put it on the window. So it's kind of limited if you want to just clean a particular part of the window on auto mode, you use this too. If you want the entire window, this is the function you want to use because it's going to go and clean the whole entire window. The 2x function here will clean the window twice. So if you feel like you need to run 2 cycles, all you got to do is just hit that one and it will go around and clean the window twice. You've got the stop function, so you can stop the robot at any time. And you've got the manual controls. So you can, at any time, stop the robot and then move it in any direction you would like. If you maybe have a spot that you want to have the robot move over a few times just to make sure it cleans it well. And then the last function is water spray. When you put the robot on the window, it will automatically have the water spray function on, and you will see the blue light on the device, so you know that the function is on. You can press the button here and it will turn off, deactivate the water spray, and pressing it back on, you will turn it back on at any time. And the reason why you want to do that, sometimes you want to do a dry cleaning on a window when it's a dirty window, and most of the time you will use the spray to make sure that you do get the solution of water spraying on the window for the most effective cleaning. Before you do anything, let's take one of those cleaning pads. It comes 3 in a package. They are reversible and reusable. Put it on the plate here, back of the robot, and just kind of try to evenly put it around so not much of it sticking out from either side. So it looks like it's sitting on pretty snug and tight. Okay, now we're gonna take some of this HOBOT branded solution, which comes in a box, and you can also buy it on Amazon. It's pretty easy. This thing just comes off and you just pour it in here. Now there's a mark. You wouldn't want to fill it to the max mark if you have really large cleaning area. This solution that we have here, just maybe quarter of a tank, would really last you a while because of the ultrasonic water spray and efficiency with which it sprays solution of water. So that should be good enough for most of your average size cleaning windows. But if you have a large area, just fill it up to this max mark right there. All of this 3 ports, the extension cord, adapter, and the power cord, they easily come together. They all connect. I already have one here, so I'm just gonna use this one that I have. And it has this safety that you just make sure you screw that in and they will stop here, so it's nice and safe in case of a fall. Make sure that the power cord stays connected, and I'll take the robot. Before you put the robot on the window, you want to make sure you turn the power on. What's going to happen is it's going to get the suction going, and it's going to get the robot ready to get on the window. You do have this battery light here, so it is orange now. So what that means is you need to charge the robot until the light turns green. So if it's a brand new one you just got, you want to make sure you charge it for at least several hours until the light is green. And the reason why, it's got an internal uninterrupted power supply battery built in. And what happens is, if you lose electricity, it will let the robot stay on the window for 20 minutes in case of a power outage. Of course, the robot has to be connected to a power source at all times, and in case you lose power, you do have that internal battery that will keep the robot on the window. All right, so let's actually put this guy to work and see what it can do for us. We made sure we've got the solution in the water tank. We've got the cleaning pad on the device. Looks very nice and snug. And the light is green. So the internal battery is fully charged. So we are ready to operate. One tip of advice, and it's really important, you want to make sure you turn the power on before you actually put the robot on the window. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Blue light is on right now, so we know that it's a water spray function. It's working. Let's go ahead and deactivate it. The white light is on now, so you know that the water spray function is off. And that's how it does its job. Very simple, requires minimum maintenance. All you gotta do most of the time is press the automatic clean the entire window option. It will go around and clean it for you. Couple of tips, especially when you get it and use it for the first time. And if you have a window that's really dirty and you haven't used HOBOT on it before, we suggest that you run a dry cleaning cycle first on your window. And what it does, it allows the fibers on the cleaning pad to collect the dust and the dirt of the window and absorb it. Then you will want to change the cleaning pad. Just get another one from the package, or just wash it and use a clean one. Make sure you remove all the dust and dirt from it. You have a clean one, and then you run a wet cycle next. And then usually by collecting the dust and dirt by using the dry cycle, the wet cycle becomes a lot more effective for cleaning the window. Sometimes you can also take the solution and kind of spray it on the edges of the cloth if your window is really dirty. Just make sure you don't get any water or solution on the caterpillar tracks to avoid any type of slippage, and that will also help you clean a dirty window if it's really dirty. So once you do that, it's easy to maintain your window and keep it clean going forward after that. Once you do the hard job of making sure that you remove all the dirt and dust from the window surface, all you gotta do is run the HOBOT every few days, or maybe a week or couple of weeks depending on your preference, before you give the window a chance to get that dirty again, and you can just use the wet cycle every time that you use it. If you ever have any questions about anything, I would always suggest that you reach out to us. You can visit us at hobot.us, or you can give us a call at 833-462-6887. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And for now, that's all I've got. Thank you for being with us today, and we look forward to talking to you soon again.